Hi kids! Today we will learn a noun phrase and a verb phrase. So let's start. Sentence. We know that a sentence is a group of words that make some complete sense. Mary is a good girl. We have also learned about the parts of a sentence. The two main parts that constitute a sentence are subject and predicate. The subject is that part of a sentence around which the whole sentence revolves, or it names a person or a thing we are talking about. A subject can be hidden too, as we learned in our next assignment. He is waiting for me outside. Here, who are we talking about? We are talking about he. So, he is the subject of this sentence, and the rest of the sentence is talking about the subject he. So that rest of sentence is the predicate. So, predicate is that part of the sentence that gives some information about the subject. We are going to play cricket. Here, the subject, that is, the one we are talking about, is we. Are going to play cricket is the information about we. So, are going to play cricket is the predicate of the sentence, and we is the subject. Now we will be learning about some more parts of a sentence. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. The subject can further have article and noun, and predicate can further have verb, article, and noun. Kids, we know that a phrase is a group of words. So, a group of words that contains a naming word or a noun is called a noun phrase. And a group of words that contains a verb is called a verb phrase. Now let's learn this concept with the help of examples. Green grass covered the field. Pick out the noun phrase and the verb phrase in this sentence. Let's first identify the nouns or naming words in this sentence. Both grass and field are nouns or naming words. But do they exist among a group of words? Yes, they exist in groups. So, green grass and the field are noun phrases. Now kids, can you identify the subject and the predicate in this sentence? Green grass is the subject and covered the field is the predicate. So, the noun phrase, green grass, functions as the subject here, whereas the other noun phrase, the fields, lies in the predicate of the sentence. So kids, a noun phrase can exist in the subject as well as in the predicate. Now let's identify the verb phrase here. The phrase containing the verb is known as a verb phrase. The verb in this sentence is covered. So, the phrase covered the field is a verb phrase here. All the friends of Annie love chocolate. Here, the noun phrase is all the friends of Annie. Chocolate is a noun, but not a noun phrase, as it is a single word and not a group. Love chocolate is the verb phrase here, as it contains the verb love. The things lying on the table are looking untidy. The noun phrase here is things lying on the table, which also happens to be the subject of the sentence. The rest of the sentence, are looking very untidy, is a verb phrase and also the predicate of the sentence. There can be multiple verbs in a single verb phrase. This table can be lifted with the help of 2 more people. Here, this table and 2 more people are noun phrases in this sentence. The verb phrase here is can be lifted. It contains helping verbs can and be, and a main verb, lifted. The group of girls danced, sang, and performed beautifully. Here, the noun phrase is the group of girls, and the verb phrase is danced, sang, and performed beautifully, and it consists of many verbs: danced, sang, and performed. So kids, today we learned about noun phrase and verb phrase. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!